Imagine a single mother working two jobs, struggling to make ends meet. She wakes up before dawn, prepares breakfast for her children, and heads out to her first job. After a long day, she returns home, only to start her second job from her home office. The exhaustion is evident on her face, but she pushes through, driven by the hope of a better future for her family. She clips coupons meticulously, hunts for the best deals, and opts for generic brands over name brands. Every penny saved is a step closer to financial stability. She rarely spends money on herself, prioritizing her children's needs above her own desires. Despite her fatigue, she remains resolute. Her determination to build a better life for her children fuels her every action. She works late into the night, balancing her responsibilities with unwavering dedication. This isn't just a story, it's the reality for many Americans. Families across the nation face similar struggles, juggling multiple jobs and making sacrifices to provide for their loved ones. But here's the inspiring part. This single mother, through sheer grit and disciplined saving, turns her financial life around. She starts small, but her consistent efforts lead to significant changes. She begins by saving a few dollars each week. It may seem insignificant at first, but these small amounts gradually accumulate. It's not much, but it's a start. Each dollar saved is a step towards financial freedom. She cuts back on unnecessary expenses, packs her lunch instead of eating out, and finds creative ways to entertain her children without breaking the bank. Simple changes in daily habits make a big difference over time. Slowly but surely, her savings account begins to grow. Each deposit, no matter how small, brings her closer to her financial goals. This story illustrates the power of a penny saved. It's a testament to the impact of consistent, disciplined saving. It's not about being cheap, it's about being intentional with your money. Every financial decision is made with a purpose, aimed at securing a better future. It's about making sacrifices today to secure a brighter future. She understands that the small sacrifices she makes now will pay off in the long run. This journey to financial freedom starts with a single step: the decision to take control of your finances. Remember, every penny counts. Each small step is a building block towards a more secure and prosperous future. Whether it's $1 saved on groceries or $100 saved on a car repair, small savings add up over time. Each saving, no matter how small, contributes to a larger goal. It's the snowball effect in action. As you save more, you have more to invest, and your wealth grows exponentially. The initial small savings create a foundation for future financial growth, leading to a more secure and prosperous life. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial success. It is the foundation upon which all your financial decisions and plans are built. Without a solid budget, achieving financial freedom can feel like an impossible task. It's the roadmap that guides you toward your financial goals. Just like a traveler needs a map to reach their destination, you need a budget to navigate your financial journey. Without a budget, you're driving blind, unsure where your money is going. This can lead to financial stress and uncertainty, making it difficult to achieve your financial aspirations. A budget empowers you to track your income and expenses, identify areas where you can save, and allocate funds toward your financial priorities. It gives you control over your finances, allowing you to make informed decisions. Creating a budget doesn't have to be complicated. Start simple and gradually refine it as you become more comfortable with the process. Start by listing all sources of income. This includes your salary, any side hustles, investments, and other sources of revenue. Then track your expenses for a month, categorizing them as needs and wants. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. Needs are essential expenses like housing, food, and utilities. These are the non-negotiable costs that you must cover to maintain your basic standard of living. Wants are non-essential expenses like entertainment, dining out, and luxury items. These are the areas where you have more flexibility to cut back if needed. Once you have a clear picture of your income and spending habits, you can start making adjustments. Look for patterns and identify areas where you can reduce spending. Look for areas where you can cut back on wants and redirect that money towards savings or debt repayment. This will help you build a financial cushion and reduce financial stress. Remember, a budget is a living document. It should be reviewed and adjusted regularly to reflect changes in your income, expenses, and financial goals. It should be reviewed and adjusted regularly to reflect changes in your income, expenses, and financial goals. This ensures that your budget remains relevant and effective. The key to successful budgeting is discipline. It requires you to stick to your plan and make conscious spending decisions. It requires commitment and consistency. By regularly tracking your expenses and adjusting your budget, you can stay on top of your finances, but the rewards are worth it. Achieving financial milestones and experiencing financial stability can bring immense satisfaction and peace of mind. A well-managed budget provides peace of mind, financial stability, and the freedom to pursue your dreams without being shackled by debt. It allows you to live a life of financial freedom and security. Living frugally doesn't mean depriving yourself of the things you enjoy. It simply means being resourceful and finding creative ways to save money without sacrificing your quality of life. Here are some practical tips for stretching your dollars further. Grocery savings. Plan your meals, buy in bulk, use coupons, and compare prices at different stores. Consider growing your own herbs and vegetables or joining a local food co-op for fresh, affordable produce. Transportation costs. Explore alternative transportation options like biking, walking, or carpooling. Maintain your vehicle regularly to prevent costly repairs and improve fuel efficiency. Entertainment and recreation. Seek out free or low-cost entertainment options in your community, such as concerts in the park, museum-free days, or library events. Consider hosting potlucks or game nights with friends instead of expensive dinners out. Shopping savvy. Resist impulse purchases. Wait for sales and clearance events to buy clothing, electronics, and other non-essential items. Explore online marketplaces for gently used items at a fraction of the cost. Section 4, from savings to investments, growing your wealth. Saving money is essential, but it's only the first step on your journey to financial freedom. While having a savings cushion is important for emergencies and short-term goals, it won't help you achieve long-term wealth. To truly build your financial future, you need to think beyond just saving. To truly grow your wealth, you need to put your money to work for you through smart investments. Investing is the process of using your money to buy assets that have the potential to increase in value over time. This can include stocks, bonds, real estate, and other financial instruments. Investing allows your money to generate passive income and build wealth over time. Passive income is money earned with little to no effort, such as dividends from stocks or rental income from real estate. This can significantly boost your financial growth. There are numerous investment options available, each with its own risk and reward profile. Some popular options include stocks, bonds, real estate, and retirement accounts. Understanding the different types of investments and how they work is crucial to making informed decisions. Retirement accounts like 401k and IRA. These accounts are designed to help you save for retirement and offer significant tax advantages. Contributions to these accounts can often be made pre-tax, reducing your taxable income, and the investments grow tax-deferred until you withdraw them in retirement. These accounts offer tax advantages and allow your investments to grow tax-deferred. This means you won't pay taxes on the earnings until you withdraw the money, which can help your investments grow more quickly. Stocks are down. Investing in stocks provides the potential for high returns, but also carries higher risk. Stocks represent ownership in a company, and their value can fluctuate based on the company's performance and market conditions. Bonds. Bonds are generally less risky than stocks and provide a steady stream of income. When you buy a bond, you're essentially lending money to a government or corporation in exchange for periodic interest payments and the return of the bond's face value when it matures. Real estate. Investing in rental properties can generate passive income and appreciate in value over time. Real estate investments can provide a steady cash flow from rental income and potential appreciation in property value. It's crucial to do your research and understand the risks associated with each investment before making any decisions. Each type of investment comes with its own set of risks and rewards, and it's important to be well informed. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to develop a personalized investment strategy that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. A financial advisor can help you navigate the complexities of investing and create a plan tailored to your unique situation. Section 5, Real-Life Success Inspiration from the Frugal Front. Countless individuals and families have transformed their lives by embracing frugal living and making smart financial decisions. Their stories serve as a testament to the power of perseverance and the tangible rewards of financial discipline. Take, for instance, the single mother who, through years of diligently saving and investing, was able to purchase her first home, providing her children with stability and security. Or the young couple who paid off their student loan debt in record time by living below their means and aggressively tackling their debt. These stories are not anomalies. They are a testament to the fact that financial freedom is attainable for anyone willing to put in the effort. These individuals didn't win the lottery or inherit a fortune. They achieved success through hard work, sacrifice, and a commitment to their financial goals. Section 6, maintaining momentum. Cultivating a prosperity mindset. Achieving financial freedom is not a destination, it's a journey. It requires ongoing effort, discipline, and a positive mindset. Cultivating a prosperity mindset is essential for maintaining momentum on your financial journey. A prosperity mindset is about believing in your ability to create abundance and attract financial success. It's about focusing on opportunities rather than limitations and adopting an attitude of gratitude for what you have while striving for more. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether it's supportive friends, inspiring books, or motivational podcasts. Celebrate your successes along the way, no matter how small, and view setbacks as learning opportunities rather than failures. Remember, your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality. By cultivating a prosperity mindset, you empower yourself to make sound financial decisions and attract abundance into your life.